Parev, it's Armine from Hayasa, and today I will help you learn the past continuous tense in Western Armenian. We'll be going over a lot, so please feel free to take notes if you need to, and let's get started. Just as in the present tense, in order to master the past continuous tense, you will need to be familiar with the conjugation of the verb to be, alal, in the past continuous. So, I was is yese. You were is tuneir. He or she was is an-er. We were is menk eink. You were in the plural is tuk eik. And they were is anong ein. Let's go over it one more time. Yes ei, tun eir, an-er. Menk eink, tuk eik, anong ein. The conjugation of verbs in the past continuous tense depends once again on what category that verb belongs to. Here's a quick reminder in case you forgot. Verbs in Western Armenian are divided into 3 categories, depending on what ending is affixed to the verb root. We have yel, il, and al. 2 of these verb endings, yel and il, are conjugated the same way. Their ending is removed, and the root form of the verb is affixed to the proper conjugated form of the verb to be. Let's look at some examples together. Vazel means to run. I was running would be yes gvazei. Like in the present tense, we have g, which is followed by the conjugated form of the verb, which in this case, the root form of vazel is vaz, so we removed the yel ending, and we replaced it with the proper conjugated form of the verb to be, ei. So, in the past continuous tense, we have yes gvazei. You were running would be tum gvazeir. For the second person singular, the proper conjugated form of the verb to be is eir. So, we remove the el verb ending and replace it with eir to get gvazeir. The same goes for the rest of the personal pronouns. An gvazer, menk gvazeink, tuk gvazeik, anung gvazein. For verbs that end with al, there is one minor difference. Instead of the e vowel in the conjugated ending of the verb, we have an a vowel. Let's look at an example with gartal, to read. I was reading would be yes ggartai. Notice that instead of the expected ei ending, we have ai, because gartal ends with al. You were reading would be tu gagartair. The same thing goes here. Instead of the expected eir ending, we have air. And the same for the rest of the personal pronouns. An gagartar, menk gagartaink, tuk gagartaik, anung gagartain. For your homework assignment, check out the PDF that we have included in the description below. Pick one of the verbs and conjugate it in the comments section, and later we'll check them and give you feedback. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and I hope you don't forget about your homework assignment. This was Armine from Hayasa, and hope to see you soon. So, this is soon.